Okay, got some of these here seeds. Asparagus beans. They get up to a yard long, best at 18 inches. Anyhow, they're pretty cool. They're a pole type beans, so I gotta plant them where they can grow up on something. So I'm gonna put them at the edge of the garden. And then hopefully I can tie them up to that, and then if I have to extend it, I will. Anyhow, with these, it is along a trellis, sow your seeds when soil is warm. Soak seeds overnight in warm water. Then when plants are a few inches tall, that's just into that. I don't know what that means. Pick early and often to encourage production. 15 to 21 days to pop up. 1.5 inches deep. I was totally zooming in on nothing. Sorry about that. So anyhow, 6 inches apart per seed. I've got a pot of water here, or a bowl of water here going. You see they're brown, and they got a little bit of a, well, they got air bubbles on them, which is kind of interesting, but hold on a second. Anyhow, in here, you can see they got like little white faces to them almost, kind of like black-eyed peas, but opposite, I guess. Ooh, this pup's biting my toes off. Anyhow, I'm going to soak them overnight and plant them tomorrow. I just want to touch base with you on what these here are. They are non-GMO, so I can save the seeds out of them. The soaking them just kind of lets them soften up some and lets them germinate easier. I don't normally soak my green bean seeds, but this specifically said to, so we're going to do her. Yeah, we'll leave them like they are, and we'll get them planted tomorrow. Okay, so I got the asparagus beans. They soaked overnight. See how they swelled up a little bit there? That's 3 packs, so it's not a lot of beans per pack, but they should produce good harvest. Plus, this is my first time for them, so it's all good. But with that, I'm going to plant them. They are literally just like a half-inch, half-inch deep, just like your regular beans. It's about 6 inches apart. I'm putting them here along this here fence because they are a pole bean and they will need to be tied up. Say hi, Sig. So anyhow, yeah, they're gonna go all the way along the fence here. Now we re-put this fence in after we tilled, so it's a little wonky on the bottom. So I did move dirt too, so that makes it easy. But this dirt is soft, so took one bean out, and I'm literally just going to put it in the ground here like so, and then take my hand, use my thumb, make my next bean hole. Very simple, done. Do it again until I get them all in the ground. As I go along, I'll cover them up. And then I know these are asparagus beans. You know, you're guesstimating 6 inches. It's all good though. Just put it in. Every once in a while, you can put 2 in. That way you know you're getting bean in the area if you have to thin or fill in. But, yeah, that's about it. Anyhow, that's all there is to planting these until they come up and need tied. So, and then use the water to water. That's it though. Asparagus beans are going in.